So my bike. And the ball
Okay, wait, show the bike first. So look, it's finally ready. Huh, see? Can you show it, turn around? Wow.
Yeah, and can do tricks. It can move. It can move. It can show tricks.
Cannot see, you have to show the bikes. Yeah, wow. Okay.
So it looks. So this is turn. So
Do you like your bike?
yeah, it's so neat.
What color is it?
Blue.
Why is the man bald? Where's the hair?
There's no hair.
There's no hair for the man?
Yeah, they only girls has hair.